This is a typical waterproof LED strip. Note the positive plus and negative minus marked on the strip. Carefully remove the waterproofing layer using a razor to expose the two leads. By the way, the LED strip I am using in this video is SMD3528 strip running on 12 volts. After removing the waterproofing layer, proceed to tin the leads with solder. Tinning the leads will make the process of soldering the wires on it much easier. Next is preparing the wires. Typical color code used is red to the positive and black to the negative. Carefully strip the wires to expose the wires. Give them a little twist to tidy them up and tin them. This will also help the soldering process. Now for the fun part, marrying the wires to the strip. Because both wires and leads are tin, connecting them is as easy as just touching them with a hot soldering iron. Just make sure that the red wire is at the positive and black to the negative of the strip. You can stop at this stage, but I want to make it look more professional. To make it look more professional, a heat shrinking tube is used. Simply cut the desired length, slot the strip in, use a heat gun to string the tube, and you're done. Hook it up to a 12 volt power supply and it is all bright and nice. You see, soldering of an LED strip is not as scary as you think. Just a bit of practice, you can do it too. Thank you for watching.